Yo, what is up, everybody? Today I will be playing War Thunder Mobile and air battles because I felt like it. And I decided that I was gonna play entirely naval planes. So let's hope this goes well. Well, not naval planes, but aircraft carrier-based aircraft that were used mainly during the Second World War. Also, if you didn't know already, what was I gonna say? I forgot. Sorry guys, I forgot what I was about to say. Actually, yeah, there's only one surviving Tiger 1 that is still operational in one way or another. And, it is the Tiger 131. It was captured by, British troops during, I forget which battle, but it's because the crew, when they evacuate, they're supposed to set detonation charges to blow it up, and the crew forgot to do that. So basically, the Allies got a free Tiger tank. This isn't good. I don't like this. Okay, virtual cockpit can't help anything. Well, this isn't good. Let out a little bit. I don't know what to do. I'm being shot at. I'm probably just gonna die and deal with it. I'm gonna try to save it as much as I can. I'm gonna do everything to save it. So I'm gonna just continue firing, and continue firing. Oh man. You know what? It's okay because we'll just fly again. Oh right, yeah, except for the P-47. That's not naval aircraft carrier based. Here's a second plane, the F-4, F-3. Or the Wildcat, I think. I'm not entirely sure what the nickname was, but it doesn't really matter. Anyways, I would really like to be able to, hit even just 10 subscribers by Christmas. It would be great for me. I'd be really happy. So yeah, I think it would be really nice if everybody could subscribe, comment, show my videos to their friends, and hope their friends like it. But yeah, I started this in November, I think on the 5th of November. And it hasn't been going too well for me, but I also haven't been posting a lot, so I've mostly posted shorts to try to get views, but it hasn't been going too well for me. It hasn't been going very well at all. Let's land it. I said land it. Why does the Wildcat's landing gear take so long to step out?
The enemy is winning. We've got to counterattack.
Anyways, well, now that I'm dead. If you've seen the chat, yeah. Gold, and you can see that somebody was credited killed for that. Oh, what? Oops. Now we're going in the Dauntless. You know, everybody's gotta love the Dauntless. Oh, hey! There's that guy down there. Just drop the air brakes on and dive. you can see, our speed is obviously increasing with the altitude that we're losing, but should I go for the B-25 or for the HE-116? You know what? I'm gonna go for the HE-116 and take out the air brake because I'm not diving on a naval target that I need to pull out of. This is more strategic assault diving, I'd say. But whatever. I don't really know what I'm talking about. Or do I? I'm unsure. Somebody tell me. Drop in the comments. If you have any World War II facts that you think that I might not know about, you could drop those down in the comments too. I'd know something new. Because I'm a very big, like, nerd of this kind of stuff, so really love it if you guys could drop some facts that I might not know, or that you think I don't know, or I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, as I said before, it would be really great. I would be really happy if you guys could like, subscribe, share it with your friends, drop a comment if you want. It would mean a lot for me, because like, I haven't done much, and this is about my 4th video total, and the rest of them have been YouTube shorts, so I can try to get some views. But if you do manage to see this video, I plead of you to share this. It would mean so much, and I would be so happy if you did, because yeah, my brother has 17 subscribers, and he started after me, but he also has been posting more. I spent less time on YouTube, about maybe an hour or 2 every day. He spends like 4. I don't blame him. He's also gotta keep up the posting, but anyways, let's dogfight this yak. Actually, I was also thinking of starting to stream with it, to get like a PC or an Xbox or something, or PlayStation, like on Twitch. I'm probably also gonna end up renaming my channel because it's too hard to find. But yeah, again, this is the 3rd time I've said it, but it would mean a lot if you would share it, if you'd share, like, subscribe, and comment, of course. But yeah. Honestly, I definitely feel like I should be posting more, because with only 3 subscribers, you don't get far. How about we dogfight this Echo 112? Actually, anybody here know that, yeah, tell me in the comments if you know that, the ME-262 was, like, it was very powerful, yeah, but there was one problem with it, 1 or 2 problems with it. It had to be accelerated very, very slowly, or else its engines would burn out and it would most likely crash. Anyways, yeah, I think that's it for now. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.